Example 5 on page 455. You're given a rational equations and you're asked to solve. So for this rational equation, the fraction on the left hand side have a denominator of x minus 1. Okay, a denominator in the second fraction on the right hand side is x plus 1. So obviously you see that these two denominators are different. So you need to find the LCM of denominators. Okay, so you need to find the LCM of denominators. For this denominators is x minus 1, and x minus 1 is just x minus 1. You cannot factor any further. For x plus 1, similarly, x plus 1 is x plus 1. You cannot factor any further. Alright, to find the LCM, you include all unique factors, okay, in all denominators, but you pick the one with the highest degree. Let's start with the first denominator. The factor is only x minus 1, and it's happened one time because it's raised to the first power. There's no x minus 1 here, but you still have to include. So you put x minus 1 or x plus 1. So x plus 1 occurs only one time because it's raised to the first power. There's no x plus 1 in the first denominator, but you still need to include it. So this is the LCM of denominators. Now, we're going to multiply the LCM on both sides of the equation to remove the denominators, okay? Rewriting the original equation, multiply by the LCM on both sides times x plus 1 times 2x minus 1 equal to x minus 1 times x plus 1 times 3 divided by x plus 1. Okay, so multiply by the LCM right here on both sides of the equation. Alright, so when I multiply, I can remove parentheses, okay, or rewriting this to x minus 1 times x plus 1 times, remove the parentheses by adding this 2 over x minus 1 equal to x minus 1 times x plus 1 times, removing the parentheses, I have 3 over x plus 1. Okay? X minus 1 here. There's x minus 1 here. So x minus 1 on top divided by x minus 1 at the bottom. So you have x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is 1 times. The remaining is x plus 1, okay, times 2. These two cancel, become 1. Now, for this, x plus 1 on top divided by x plus 1 at the bottom become 1. So the remaining is x minus 1, okay, x minus 1, and this x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 is 1, and remaining is 3. Simplify what we can. We have 1 times 2 is 2, x plus 1. This is 1 times 3 is 3, so 3 times x minus 1. Okay? Alright, let's group all these together. So I would move all terms on one side of the equation, and then to see if I can use the principle of zero products. That's why I want the right hand side to be 0. Alright, so 2 times x plus 1. So I'm going to move all terms to the left hand side. So I will subtract 3 x minus 1 on both sides. Okay. And I'll get 2 times x plus 1 subtracts 3 times x minus 1 equal to, this is 0 on the right hand side. And then I need to distribute because there's no common factor between these two terms. So distribute. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 1 is positive 2. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Okay. Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3 equal to 0. And then simplify the like terms. 2x and negative 3 can be cancelled to negative x. 2 plus 3 is 5 equal to 0. Okay? To solve for x, you would need to subtract 5 on both sides. First, so this becomes still negative x, 5 subtract 5 is 0. Equal to 0 minus 5 is minus 5. Simplify, you have x. Negative x equal to negative 5. To get the x equal to something, you need to have positive coefficient to do that. You multiply both sides by negative 1, okay? Because negative times negative is positive. Negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. So, look like this is the solution to the equation. But we don't know that if this is a valid solution. To check, you need to check to see if this is really a solution to this equation. So check x equal to 5, okay? Substitute 5 for x in this equation. So I have 2 divided by 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 equal to, we don't know, so put question mark. 3 divided by 5 for x, we have 5 plus 1. Okay? We don't know if the left hand side equal to right hand side not, so I put a question mark. 2 on top. 5 minus 1 is 4. 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. You simplify, you have 2 divided by 4 is 1/2 equal to 3 divided by 6 is 1/2. So 1/2 equal to 1/2, which is a true statement. Okay? So thus, x equal to 5 is really a solution to this equation, okay? Because we checked and it you a valid statement, a true statement, which is a constant equal to same constant. So x equal 5 is a solution to this equation.